Hey folks, in today's video I wanted to share a cool Pandas function that I've been really using a lot, and it's been really useful for me in creating quick sample data frames. It's called the read clipboard method from Pandas. So let's say sometimes what happens is, if I have a source that is a database table or an Excel or CSV, I just want to import some sample data to hypothesize and try to figure out if my code is actually working as expected or not. So rather than taking all the pain of writing all the code to connect to the database and reading the CSV just to get some sample data in the memory, we can simply use this function. So let's see how it works. So let's say I have a sample data which I'll just copy from the output of a database table. So let's say this is my data. I'm just adding it as a commented string. So now I just want to read this data and store it in a data frame. So this is the function, and it basically accepts a separator, which is by default just white space character. So if you don't pass anything, it will still read them the spaces as individual columns. So let's see what we get in our data frame. And let's also check what columns do we get in our data frame. And again, because this reads from the clipboard, I'll just make sure I have copied this data and it's on my clipboard. So simply run, and as you can see, I have this data frame with these columns as the columns defined. So this way what I can do is, based on just a simple clipboard data, I can test if my code is working as expected or not. So that's a cool trick that I wanted to share. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot.